CrowdStrike stock has been crashing in the past few days after the global outage that they had. And so many of our subscribers are asking us, will CrowdStrike stock crash lower, or is this an opportunity to buy? So in this video, we will analyze the data to find out how wealthy investors are positioning for CrowdStrike stock. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information and research to make better financial decisions. So without further ado, let's dive into the data today and show how we are trading CrowdStrike stock. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, the most significant trade that we found today happened at 10:12 at the 18-second mark. You can see these September 20 options at the 3:30 strike calls and the 3:40 strike calls. And you can see here, same time at 10:12, these September 20 options, 3:20 strike calls and the 3:50 strike calls. So what is this wealthy investor doing? Let's take a deeper look at the chain. September 20th. So when we take a look at the 350 strike calls and the 340 strike calls, we can see that the volume is greater than the open interest for both of these options. So based on our analysis, they were rolling their options to a lower strike price, down lower to the 320s and the 330s. We can see the 320s here, volume 2,272, much greater than the open interest, and also the 330s, 1,600 volume, greater than the open interest of 967. So these are the opening trades. And based on our analysis, we believe they were buying the 320 strike calls and selling the 330 strike calls to open. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see here that this is a vertical call spread that cost about $163 of debit each. And when we take a look at the Greeks, you can see that this is a positive delta trade, which means this is a long bullish trade on CrowdStrike. And so you can see as the price of CrowdStrike goes up, these options gain in value. And you can see that the max profit here, when these options expire September 20, $837 of profit. So the risk to reward on this trade is very much in our favor. $837 of reward divided by the risk of the paid debit of 163. And so you can see the risk reward is 5.13. So the reward is very much in our favor. This type of risk to reward ratio is very good. And so that is why we are also trading this bullish long on CrowdStrike, while everybody is in fear and running away from CrowdStrike. We are going to take advantage of this fear and base it on the data of how wealthy investors or potential insiders are trading CrowdStrike. Let us know in the comments below, what are you doing with CrowdStrike? Are you buying or are you selling? Are you in fear or are you looking to make money? Because that is what we do on this channel, is to make sure that we make money like the rich are doing on Wall Street. Now keep in mind, this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. We'll put a link at the top here if you are interested in gaining access to the higher chance of profit trades based on our data analysis and our strategies to reduce risk in order to increase profits. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.